As you see, was working on this 350 engine and my old school truck here is the mobile mechanic. It's broke down right now, so we got to keep her going. She got cancer. See here. See all that carbon build up in there. I had to take the intake off. She was running bad, popping and all that there. And see how that build up, carbon build up? I call that cancer. It's just like your body. You know, get this stuff built up in you. In some heads, it's like your lungs, man. You gotta keep that stuff clean. If stuff get carved up like that, you can't breathe right. Your lungs carved up like that. That's like smoking and eating tobacco. You know, what your lungs look like inside. And get all built up, and then they don't want to run right, act right. Okay. See, it got down on the, there's a lifters there. And that one right there, that's the one that was doing all the popping. See that built up in there? It wasn't moving. See all the rest of them, they just moving, the thing just stuck off in there. See it stuck off down up in there? All those up. And this side, we're gonna replace all those. We're gonna replace everything. We're gonna take this valve cover off.
I have told you to stay off this board.
And we're gonna redo all that.
Stay off of it.